We have roll number U262206. It came in here with supposedly a through shaft. The shaft was welded to the heads on both ends. It was an indication of a crack. We machined out the welds to see if we could press the shaft out, and it doesn't want to come out. We end up noticing through the machining here that there is an extra seam line on the large end, which might not show up real well here. An extra more weld. It looks like there was an extra head plate put in here at one time, and there also an indication here there's an 1/8 inch 3/16 diameter hole, which is a blind hole, which is approximately 3 inches deep. This is the large end of the shaft. This is the end that would have to come out this direction. We have a feeling that this head assembly here was bored out. The shaft was turned. There was another plate inserted, welded here, welded to the shaft, which this shaft would be smaller on this outside than it would be on the original bore, which does not allow this shaft to come out. Once we heated it up to see if we could get to move without any pressing of it, and it didn't move, so we end up stuck it in the press, 250 ton, end up bent the shaft on the smaller end. There is an indication here of the seam line here of the shaft and the head. So it's to try to remove that, we would all this in here would all have to be machined out, and then to see if we could get the shaft out, and then remove this head, insert a new head, remachine everything in with a new shaft. And we're not sure what we would find once we got into this, once we removed all this material in here, which is approximately 11 inch diameter, 3 inches deep. So hopefully this will give you a little better indication of what we found with this roll.